To add an address book in the Ari Wallet app, start by opening the app and signing in to your account. Navigate to the bottom right corner, where you'll find the contact book icon, and click on it. This section is also referred to as the address book, and it's where you can store wallet addresses for easy access. To add a new contact, click on Add Contact and enter the wallet name and address. The name can be any label you choose, such as the owner's name, which will help you distinguish between multiple contacts. For the wallet address, you'll need to obtain it from the owner. They can do this by going to the home screen, selecting Receive, and copying their wallet address from the My Address section. Once they've copied the address, they can send it to you. Then, go back to the Add Contact section, paste the address, and enter the name you've chosen. Click Save to add the contact, and the new entry will be added to your address book.